welcome to my channel. So I kind of mentioned this on in my videos on Walgreens that last year Walgreens hit 90% off on their summer stuff. So I heard that their summer stuff was going 90% off today. So I woke up early to go to the store. But last year I went so crazy, it was ridiculous. I bought like 5 pools and I plan on using each pool every single year. Well, this year there was no pools. There was hardly any swimming stuff at all because everybody was out doing stuff, you know. But I was going to buy a life jacket for Charlotte and it did not ring up on sale for 90% off, so I'm like, that's fine, I didn't get it. There was a couple things I'm like, okay, if it's not ringing up 90% off, I didn't get it. But I went to 2 stores. I went to my normal store and I got there a little after 8 o'clock and there was nobody there. He's like, Jennifer, I'm sorry, I haven't had a chance to put the tags up. I'm like, I don't care, I can figure out the math in my head for 90% off. So then he's like, well, here, take these. Take these items that are super cheap so I don't have to put the tags on. I'm like, you know what? I am not going crazy this year. I did not go crazy on the 90% off stuff. So I'm going to share with you guys everything I got. There is some rebate deals that I got. So I ended up getting this cool little confetti bag. These were ringing, these were $9.99. So that with the 90% off, they came out to be just 99 cents. I thought these are super cute. I can always do something with my Cricut machine and I have a holographic thing that I can do. So I can do this as a little gift bag. I ended up getting 2 of them. I thought these were so cute and there's so much glitter or so much confetti on these. I thought these would be a cute little DIY little gift that I can do. I ended up getting the bubbles. This is the only one that they had. This was $7.99 and I got it for 79 cents. So pretty excited. We don't actually have a no spill bubble, so I got that because you can't go wrong with bubbles. I ended up getting these Franklin balls. Charlotte's obsessed with balls lately, which is totally fine. So we've been kind of throwing stuff at her and having her catch it and throwing stuff. And these are like nice little small balls to play. And I thought these were kind of cool just to play in the driveway. Graham and I have been playing catch back and forth, so these are great balls to play with. So these were, I had to write everything down because my receipt was all weird. These were, seriously, I don't know how much they were. These were $4.99, so I got them for 49 cents. I thought that was a pretty great deal getting these balls for 49 cents. Okay. Bug spray, you guys. They even had bug spray 90% off. These were ringing. I think these ones were $6.99, and I think these were $6.49. So I got bug spray for 67 cents, or 64 cents, and 67 cents. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with bug spray. Like, I needed bug spray so badly this summer. I got bit up like crazy, and we only had like this deep wood spray, but I wanted like a spray. So we got that. Now I went crazy over these little googly eye guys. There was a ton of them. I got a bunch of them. These light up. They go crazy. So these were $1.99 originally, and I got whatever they had. I think there's 11 of them of what I got. So I bought 11 of these and I got them for 19 cents a piece. What I plan to do with these is I put them in little goodie bags, so when my kids have birthday parties to go to, or when we have birthday parties, I make a little goodie bag for all the kids. And I like to, you know, put some decent stuff in there. And I thought these are kind of cool, especially for 99 cents or 19 cents. And then they had these little squishy little things. There was like I don't even know what that guy is. But we had a panda. There's a pig. Again, these were 99 cents also. His face, what has happened to his face? Oh, this guy got ruined. But I got little unicorns. These were $1.99, so I got these each for 19 cents, and I got 11 of those. So those are gonna go in my little tote that I have. I already have it already packed. I have a little tote where I put little goodie bag stuff in there. So that's what I got for the kids when they have friends over. I ended up getting these little Aqua Shoes. Now these were on sale. These were, I think, $10.99. Where did I write this down? Sorry, you guys. These were $10.99, so I paid $1.09 for these. I thought these are super cute. Water shoes, those would be great for Miss Charlotte to use. They didn't have anything for my son to wear, so I got that. Now these are like drench balls. I thought these would be kind of cool just to throw around, even if we get them full of water and throw them in the summertime. I thought these were pretty cool. These were originally $3.99, so I got these for 39 cents a piece. So yes. This is so cute, you guys. Last year or 2 years ago, I got so much chalk. It was ridiculous. They hardly had any chalk this year, but I was lucky to find this donut chalk. Yeah, donut chalk. Now these were $3.99, so I got these for 39 cents. There is a 4-pack in here. I think I got 3 or 4 boxes. I don't know. Yeah, I got 4 boxes of the donuts. So I thought this would be good things for the kids to play with. Next year, for the chalk, yeah, I got another piggy right here. But yeah, that one is all worn out, which is totally fine. Okay. Oh, and there's a sloth, if you guys like a sloth. I got this little fan. This fan was $4.99. I ended up getting this for 49 cents, so I thought that was pretty cool. Don't break that, Benny. This was my favorite thing that I got, you guys. I got these spray fans. Now, there was a spot where they had suntan lotions also on sale, but I didn't need any. These were originally $12.99. I got these for $1.29. $1.29. I really wanted these when we went to Florida 1 year ago. But this is perfect for whenever we're out in the sun and we need to go somewhere where it's so hot. You just fill this up with water, you put a battery in here, and it just sprays you a mister. I'm like, I have to get these. This is something that I've wanted for a long time, so I just had to buy those.
I saw those before.
You've seen those before?
Yeah.
Yeah. I ended up getting some padlocks. I got these padlocks and I got these. These were $11.99. So I got these for $1.19. I thought these are kind of cool, especially when Ben starts school. We have some padlocks. So I got these. I only got one of these, and then I got 2 of these because you never know when you need to lock something up. They had a electrical cord. I didn't know if I needed one. I do like how this is like have fabric around it. I think I need to change the cord that we have underneath our couch because it always pops out. This is more of a flatter cord. So this was $7.99, and so I got this for just 79 cents. Okay guys, sorry, I had to cough because I've been talking so much that I run out of air. So these were just little balls. They said that you can bounce on water. I thought that was kind of cool. Another balls for Ben and Charlotte. These were $8.99, so I got this for 89 cents. I thought that's a cute little thing for the kids to play. Like, they've been just obsessed with little balls lately, so I got this. Now, I got this for Gina. I didn't realize it was broken. There's a little chip out here, but that's not going to really matter. But I thought this is kind of cute to give to Gina for a gift. She just loves pineapples, and I had to get it. It was all by itself. But this was like, how much was, I think I paid like 40-something cents for this. I wrote this down, and then now I can't find it. But I know I paid like, it was like $4.99, I think is what it was. So I paid like 49 cents for this. I did write it down, and now I can't find it. Oh, yeah, $4.99. It's the very first item. So we got that. Now, there is some deals that you guys can do with with Checkout 51. So I ended up getting the 4-pack of the G2 pens. These were $7.29. So they were pretty much marked down 90% off to 70. Ben, go away. They were 72 cents marked down. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Checkout 51 times 3. So you guys will get these absolutely free. And then you guys can get a 3-cent moneymaker. You cannot use these coupons, the coupons we had, because the coupons are cheaper than what the product is. If you guys can do that, go for it. But my coupons I couldn't use because, yeah. So definitely go ahead. I got 3 of those to use just because it's such a great deal. I ended up getting, here's my other padlock. I ended up getting these really cool, really nice, tough full binders from 5 Star. They got folders and stuff in here. These were originally, I wrote it down. These were originally $5.99. You guys would get them for 59 cents a piece. But with Checkout 51, there's a $1.25 off a 2 rebate that you guys can get. So you guys will get 2 of them for a 7-cent moneymaker. So I ended up getting 2 of them. I was pretty excited for that. And then I got some notebooks, but the notebooks weren't included in the sale. So I went back, put those away, and I grabbed these folders. These folders were originally $2.79. Again, marked down to 27 cents. You guys can submit your receipt to Checkout 51 because there is a limit of a 2 deal that you guys can do that. You get $1.25 off a 2 rebate with Checkout 51. Comes out to be a 71-cent moneymaker. So that was a pretty good deal. So we got that. I ended up getting these friction pens. These were $4.79, so you pay 47 cents. You guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Checkout 51. Comes out to be a 28-cent moneymaker, and it is a limit of 3, so I got 28 cents for that. I got the Precise V5. These were, these were $4.49, so 45 cents a piece. You can submit a 75-cent rebate with Checkout 51. Comes out to be a 30-cent moneymaker. Again, limit of 3. So I went crazy over those pens. The last deal I got for Checkout 51 was the 2-pack of the G2s. These were $4.29, so 42 cents a piece. You can submit a 50-cent rebate with Checkout 51, where these came out to be just an 8-cent moneymaker, so times 3. So I got $10.75 back with Checkout 51. So that was a pretty good deal for that. I ended up getting some I can't speak right now. I got some fine tip dry erase markers. These I plan on using possibly for when I do my breakdowns for the future. I gotta get a board, but I don't know how much these cost. These were $11.99, so I paid $1.19 for this. I got the big sticks of glue sticks. I got like 3 or 4 of them. I don't know how many I got. But I ended up getting the big sticks of glue sticks because we've been using these for school already. So these were $3.29. So I got these for 32 cents. 32 cents. But then I also got a couple packs of the smaller glue sticks, and there's 6 of them in here. These were $4.99, and I got them for 49 cents. So that was a pretty good deal. I got some of the Wexford, which is the Walgreens brand dry erase markers. These were $4.49, so you guys would get these for 44 cents. I got 2 of them, I think. So yeah, I got 2 of them, so in case I need to get that. I got some locker clips. I thought these would be kind of cool just to have in my refrigerator, because I do clip stuff on things on my refrigerator. So these were $2.99, and I got them for just 29 cents a piece. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. Now I ended up getting these Terragonda pencils. I thought I grabbed a 12-pack, but I might have put them back on the shelf. Yeah, I put them back on the shelf. There was a 12-pack that was $5.99, or the 24-pack, which was, I think it was $6. And, oh, why can't I find this all of a sudden? I think this was $6.99. Yeah, I don't know how much I paid for these. I can't remember, and I'm not finding it on my little thing. But anyways, I think I got these for like 69 cents, which actually came out to be a cheaper deal than if I bought the 12-pack. So I ended up getting those. And then I got some fine tipped Sharpie markers. I've been writing notes for my business to people when they buy stuff. So I ended up getting these for $10.99. So I paid $1.09 for those. I got a little pencil sharpener. This was $2.99, so I got that for 29 cents. I ended up getting some, did I grab a couple? I thought I grabbed a couple of these. I ended up getting some of these Sharpie really pretty markers. I don't know how much, I didn't write the price for these. I can't remember what the price for these was, but they're like 50 or 60 cents is what I got for that. And then I had one of those $8 off Catalina coupons. And I ended up getting a eyeshadow. This was $9.99. I used that $8 off coupon and another $8 off coupon printed off. So you guys can roll those if you need to. You just have to buy them in separate transactions. So that was my haul, you guys. Not a lot of summer stuff, which is totally fine. I'm happy that I got some school supplies because we never really went school supply shopping for Ben for school, which is fine. You know, which is totally fine, but I ended up getting some really good stuff, and I have so many pens, it's ridiculous. It's crazy ridiculous how much pens I have, but I could not pass up free pens. So I got all that stuff. So my total for everything came to $30.96. Now I did not pay that price. I used points and I had a register reward that I used. I will be getting $10.75 back with checkout 51. It hasn't approved it yet. I've noticed that sometimes it's been taking 2 days to get. I got 81 items. Paris. I got 81 items, you guys. 81 items. That came out to be just 24 cents a piece. 24 cents a piece. Sorry, she likes to chew on plastic and she doesn't stop. But I was pretty excited for everything that I got. I ended up saving $393.98. Graham's like, yeah, okay. And I'm like, well, that's just how they base everything off the regular prices, which people won't really pay normal prices for that stuff. But I think I did a pretty good deal. I didn't go crazy. I didn't go crazy like I did last year. Last year, it was ridiculous. I woke up at 4 in the morning, could not sleep. I went to 3 different stores to get stuff. And I also went to the Backstreet Boys concert that night too and got back super late. So that day was just full of adrenaline, but today was just a nice relaxing day. I wanted to share with you guys everything that I got. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. Check your stores. Not every store is 90% off. Some of them do it whenever. Every store is different, but out of the 2 stores that I went to, they were 90% off. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.